Welcome to Business as Unusual. This is the live stream where we dig into the pressing issues and emerging trends shaping the business landscape. We're going to start in just a few minutes, so if you have questions, please feel free to add them to the chat, and I'm going to try to get to everything in the session today. I'm Kathy Steele, and I'm CEO of Red Caffeine, and I'm your host today. For those of you that are unfamiliar with Red Caffeine, we are a growth consultancy, and we build and execute go-to-market plans for ambitious mid-market organizations. Our service offering includes a fractional team led by a senior level marketing leader that enables a business to scale rapidly without having to hire a wide range of full-time staff members. Today, we're going to be diving into a topic that I am really passionate about, branding. It's where my career started, so I have a true affection for the process. And at Red Caffeine, we've seen the impact that a rebranding initiative can have on an organization. But a brand strategy is more than just the logo and the mark. Rebranding can be a strategic move to revitalize a company's image, align with evolving market trends, and better reflect a company's current values and offerings. For your customers, a rebrand can signal innovation, a commitment to quality, and an improved customer experience that fosters increased loyalty and engagement. And it also has impact on employees. It can reignite a sense of pride and motivation, creating a more cohesive and driven team that is excited about the company's future and direction and goals. So we're thrilled to have David Doyle, who's the president and CEO of Heidenhain Corporation, here today. And he's going to talk about a recent rebranding effort that we've worked on together. But first, David, thank you for coming. Thank you for being here. I'd love you to share a little bit about you and the company, and then if you wouldn't mind sharing a little nugget that's not on your corporate bio, something interesting and personal.
Sure. Thank you for having me today. And this is equally as passionate to me in terms of what we're doing with the Accurate product line and brand for Heidenhain. Background on myself, came to Heidenhain in 2016 with a career, I would say, prior in the semiconductor capital equipment industry. Heidenhain is a leader in motion control solutions for high dynamic applications with three main vertical markets. So the machine tool industry, the electronics semiconductor industry, and the automation industry, including robotics, and a variety of different segments from there. I've been in the United States for 24 years now. Moving over with an Israeli company, Orbotech, that was in the far back end of semiconductors. Prior, had worked with KLA Tencor here in the Bay Area, and then transitioned through startup exercise in the machine vision space, machine learning applications, etc., for surface mount. Most, I would say, extensive in terms of career has been really focusing on advanced semiconductor metrology and inspection applications for advanced technology and integrated circuit manufacturing. So the non-bio comment, I would say, is given the current activity in Paris right now with the Olympics, what you probably don't see on my resume or the bio is the fact that I was an international swimmer in my youth, representing Ireland, and I'd like to congratulate Daniel Whiffen, who actually was the first Irish person to win a gold medal at the Olympics in a swimming event this week or this year. So that's a very proud event for Daniel, for Ireland, but also for somebody who had worked quite hard in that sort of field in the past. It's a very emotional and proud moment for anybody involved with Irish swimming.
That is incredible. I mean, I love this question because I always learn something. I usually know our guest a little bit, and I'm always blown away by things that come from, what's not on your bio. So thanks for sharing that. I thought you were going to talk about the Alanis Morissette and Joan Jett concert that you just attended. So I hope we can catch up on that. So let's Good, good. I'll have to learn more because I'm a big Joan Jett fan. I have been known to, karaoke to some of her songs over the years. So let's jump in. I'd really love to kind of start with kind of the why. We we both know the impact a revamp or a rebranding exercise can have, but there's a lot to it. It is expensive, it's time consuming, there's a lot. So can you talk us through some of the rationale that you considered when uh-oh, we lost David. All right, folks, bear with us for a minute. We're having a little technical difficulty, so hopefully David will be able to jump back in just a minute. All right, there you are, David. Can you hear me? David, can you hear me? Okay, looks like we're still having some technical challenges. So just give us a minute while we try and get David back on the line. As you know, technology is not always our friend. So David, are you back with us? David, are you with us? Hello. Oh no. All right, we're going to give us one more shot and see if we can get David back on the line. Give us a few minutes. All right, looks like he's coming back.
There we go.
Thanks for everyone for bearing with us. Yeah, we can hear you, David. Can you hear me? David, maybe try going off video. Are you able to hear me, David? All right. Well, this happens, and I'm going to just give it one more minute to see if he can hop back on. All right. Well, we really apologize for the technical difficulties today. We will be back with you at another later date with this session. We really are sorry. This is some great content. I know you're going to get a lot of value out of David. So we hope to get this rescheduled quickly and be back with you to share some insights from this rebranding case study that we wanted to talk through today. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you soon.